Hi, Jeff Simon again here at Sun and Fun 2024. I'm here with Amy Gesh. How are you doing?
Great, Jeff. How are you?
And Dan Goods. How are you doing, Dan?
Very good. How are you?
At the Wipaire booth, and I'll tell you, there are some wonderful planes here, and I want to talk about flying them. So, Amy, let's start over here with the Husky. You've got a Husky here on floats, gorgeous red and black, and tell me what it's like to fly this thing.
Well, first of all, the red paint makes it at least 5 miles an hour faster, which matters in a float plane. The Husky is a ton of fun flying. We compare it think of it like the motorcycle of aviation, right? Like you are in touch with your surroundings, you're really wearing the airplane. It's just flying in its most pure form, and it's even more fun when we put it out on the water.
Adventure flying, right?
Absolutely, and you know what? If you're, we have people who fly floats year round, but the great flexibility of the Husky is if you're in a northern climate like Wipaire, we're in Minnesota where it snows, you can take the floats off in about a day. You can put big tires, you can put skis on and go do all the other backcountry stuff.
Year-round adventure flying with that. Okay, so that's cool. So Dan, now let's take a look over at this monster behind me here. The Caravan that's got the Yukon prop that's on it.
That's right.
We've seen this back when it first kind of debuted, or at least that I saw it for the first time back at Oshkosh, and this prop must be something to fly with. Tell me what that's like.
It is. It's fantastic. We've been demonstrating it for customers for about the last, I would say about 8 or 9 months now, and the performance enhancements from that propeller, it's about a 31%. Depending on how the aircraft is configured, it can be a 31% decrease in the water run and up to about 26% on the ground roll. So
almost a third shorter water run out of that just from the prop.
It's incredible, and people don't believe it, but we've been demoing people for the last, like I said, 8 or 9 months, and I'm 100% on demos and people that make a purchase afterwards. We're actually taking orders for them now. So
100% of the people who fly buy it, so that's a pretty good
100% of them that have flown it have bought a prop, and then have also told other people to buy them, so I've gotten multiple sales out of one demo.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's great.
Well, I'll tell you, if you get a chance to check them out, it's just to see one of their Caravans on those enormous floats up in person is amazing. I mean, it really is something. And then last over here that you have displayed is the Boss 182, 350 horsepower, Whipline 3000 floats. Tell us a little bit about this guy.
Well, Amy and I both fly that airplane, so we get the privilege of going around and going to different shows with this airplane. But performance is great. We've got an increased useful load. We've also got a Hartzell Trailblazer propeller on that one as well. So we've done a lot of modifications to that airplane as well. It's an absolute joy to fly.
Yeah, so kind of like the little more kind of common, down to earth flying side of it. Yep. Big stuff over here and serious adventure with 5 knots faster because it's red.
Absolutely, absolutely. Right. Although I don't know, the blue one's pretty fast too. So can't go wrong. But.
Absolutely. Well, congratulations on another great show. I love spending time with you guys and really appreciate everything that you do supporting SocialFlight.
Awesome. Well, thanks. Great to see you, and we'll hope to see you all at Sun and Fun.
Absolutely. For Sun and Fun 2024, I'm Jeff Simon. Blue skies.